So my name is Dr. Rituparna Saha. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon and an implant specialist and a smile designer. Most of my patients are asking, is dental implant is a better option, or like crown or bridge or denture is a better option. Now definitely in today's modern world, dental implant is a better option, and if you say like money wise, both are equivalent in the parameters. If you go for bridges also, you are going to shed the same amount, and if you are going for implant, is also the same amount. Now depending why which one to choose is obviously an individual case. आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप एक टूथ को रिप्लेस करने जा रहे हैं या मेनी टूथ को रिप्लेस करने जा रहे हैं. That way the planning will differ according to the patient requirement also. So yes, dental implant is not taking your side tooth, is just एक ही दांत को replace करने के लिए. It is just using your missing tooth area. It is not hindering with your neighboring tooth. When we see the bridges or the crown, we have to take support from the neighboring tooth. So neighboring tooth side में होगा, बीच में आपका gaping tooth होगा. So उसको replace करने के लिए हमको neighboring tooth की help लेना पड़ेगा. So in that process, we actually take support from your neighboring tooth. So in that way, we are using multiple tooths together. So the cost is equivalent to your one single tooth replacement of your dental implants. So I hope this was a helpful information.